Jeff the truck driver. I'll be your guide in this amazing world of trucks and buses. Here comes the first vehicle. It is a beverage truck. A beverage truck is used to carry and deliver any bottled drinks. Tap anywhere on the vehicle and I'll tell you more. Headlamps. Headlamps are the lamps attached to the front of the vehicle. Sliding doors. Sliding doors. Sliding doors. The large sliding doors provide easy access to the crates right from the pavement. This is a school bus. A school bus is a special type of vehicle. It helps children get to school and back in a safe and quick way. The first school bus in 1827 could carry 25 children. It was horse-drawn. This type of bus, Type C, can transport up to 78 passengers. Headlamps. Wipers. Door opened. When the door opens, a crossing arm extends from the front bumper. It protects children from being struck while crossing in front of a school bus. Door closed. This is a dump truck. A dump truck is used for transporting many kinds of materials. For example, sand, gravel, dirt, or even snow. Dump trucks are not designed for speed and can easily tip on curves, so the driver has to be very careful. Open box bed is raised. The front of the bed can be lifted to unload the truck. Open box bed is lowered. This is an ambulance. An ambulance is a car designed for transporting sick and injured people or someone who requires medical attention. With sirens and flashing lights, the ambulance alerts drivers and pedestrians of its presence. Wipers. Flashing lights on. Flashing lights next to the sirens are warning other drivers that the ambulance is coming. It is a concrete mixer truck. Special concrete mixer trucks are made to transport and mix concrete up to construction sites. Concrete is a popular construction material composed of cement, sand or gravel, and water. Concrete is used more than any other man-made material in the world. Revolving drum. The revolving drum combines cement, sand, and water to form concrete. This is a fire truck. The fire truck is a vehicle designed to help in fighting fires by carrying firemen and equipment to the site of a fire. This type of fire truck is called an aerial. It's equipped with a huge ladder which can reach even the 10th floor. Ladder raised. Flashing lights. The fire truck is warning other drivers of its presence using sirens, horns, and flashing lights. Ladder lowered. Ladder raised. The large ladder is mounted on a turntable on the back of the truck, allowing it to pivot around a stable base. This is a tow truck. A tow truck is a vehicle equipped to take other cars or vehicles and bring them to another location. Tow trucks can be used in accident recovery in the case of breakdown or collision, or to hoist and pull wrecked cars. Wheel lift. The tow truck lifts the front or back of the car off the ground. This is a step van. Step vans are mainly used to deliver parcels. They're designed to be driven either sitting down or standing up, and often provide easy access between the driver and goods. Sliding doors. It is a transit bus. A transit bus is a bus used for short-distance public transport. Transit buses operate on regular bus routes according to a time schedule. This type of bus is a high-floor bus with steps. Door opened. Door opened. Headlamps. Wipers. Door closed. Door closed. It's a garbage truck. It is a truck designed to collect waste and transport it to the big garbage landfills. There are three main types of garbage trucks: front loaders, rear loaders, and side loaders. This type is a side loader. Door opened. Door closed. Lifting arm. This type is a side loader.